How to animate a logo using AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome or any browser and search aircut.pro, which will lead you to this page. Here, simply type in what you want and press on JSON, which is JSON. After you click on JSON, it converts your prompt into structured one, and as you can see, it has created the prompt into a structured prompt. Now copy the prompt from here. After you've copied the prompt from here, in next tab, open Google Gemini, View, and then simply paste the prompt in here and send it. After you do that, it will create a logo animation. This is how to animate a logo using AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.